All right, so the next sort of thing that we're going to look at here is we're going to look at powers raised to a power. So if you look at this situation right here, we've got 15 to the ninth, and that entire thing is being raised to the fourth power. Now, there is a rule for this, but as opposed to talking about the rule, let's talk about what we could actually do here. Let's use our understanding of exponents. And let's work our way from the outside in. So we are raising this to the fourth power, which means the base is 15 to the ninth, and we are multiplying that by itself 4 times. And then we can simply apply what we learned in the last lesson. 15 is the base, and then I add my exponents. 9 plus 9 plus 9 plus 9 gives me 36. So that's what's going on there. Let's look at this next one. So we have, this is going to be x to the third y z squared. That's the base being multiplied by itself 3 times because of this exponent of 3 right here. Okay, and when we do that, multiply coefficients, there are none. So I've got a like base of x. 3 plus 3 plus 3 is 9. I have a like base of y. Don't forget that these all have invisible exponents of 1. And then I have like base of z. It's going to be to the 6th power. So when you're simplifying power to a power, the process that I recommend is going to be 1, expand. Okay? And this is the expansion step right here. This is expanding. And then multiply. Pretty simple, guys.